everyone, this is me Nanda. Welcome to Aditya Nanda Talks. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and don't forget the bell icon to see more and fun videos. So today I am going to tell you about endangered and extinct animals. Extinct animals. Earth is home to lots of wonderful wildlife animals, but sadly some species that once called our planet home today no longer exist. These are known as extinct animals. Example: dinosaurs, dodo birds, mammoths and saber-toothed cat, etc. Why animals are getting extinct? Reasons. Hunting. Humans are hunting animals for many mean reasons like fur, skin, horns, teeth, etc. to make clothing, jewelry, bags, decorative items, etc. Deforestation. Cutting down of trees for many reasons by humans causes habitat loss, no supply food, no shelter, etc. Poaching animals. Poachers sometimes kill or capture animals to sell them locally or for global trade. Example: jewelry, decor, etc. Natural calamities, volcanoes, fires, floods, droughts, etc. Pollution, harmful materials into the environment. Ways to protect endangered species: reforestation, plant more trees, provide shelter to animals. National parks. National parks and wildlife sanctuaries are protected lands which provide habitat to many animals and plants. Recycle. Stop throwing garbage in water or nearby your home. Put them in the recycle bin. Recycle paper, tin and plastic. Do not buy plastic products. Take your bags to the store. Wild animals get tangled in these projects. Stop hunting. Shooting, trapping, hunting, threatening animals are illegal. Don't buy products made up of animal skin, horn, teeth, fur, etc. Thank you.